Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your phone app. Now from here tap on three dots, then go to settings. From here tap on supplementary services and give it a moment. From here tap on call forwarding, then tap on allow, then tap on voice calls, and then tap on always forward. Now from here type the number that you want to set for call forwarding. Also, if you want to select number from your contact list, then just tap here. And from here you can set any contact to call forwarding. If I select this, then tap on enable and it's done. Now if you tap on always forward, now you can see in my phone call forward option is enabled. If you want to disable it, just tap on disable and it's done. Then tap on always forward option again. And you can see in my phone call forward option is disabled. And that is how you can enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.